Every mediation session is different depending on the parties involved and their disputes. However, the general outline is similar, and the first meeting is generally informational. I like to find out if the parties have discussed their divorce, meaning the terms of their divorce, for instance, who would stay in the house, or what a parenting schedule would look like, or how they would divide their retirement assets. So I like to find out in the initial meeting where the parties are at, where the people are concerning their discussions with each other. Because some people have made a lot of progress in their discussions, and some people haven't made any progress in their discussions. So the first meeting is to ascertain what might be issues in the mediation. And at that time, after hearing from each side as to what they hope to resolve in mediation, I ask them to each fill out financial statements, and I might ask them to bring something to the next meeting that's important, or there may be a dispute over something that both parties have information that they want me to look at to see whether or not I can resolve the dispute. So the first meeting is identifying the issues that exist between the parties. And then the second meeting is really generally more intense than the first, because that's when you get down to the real work of mediating the dispute. And I always try to make sure that each party is heard fully and completely, and that they feel that they've been heard fully and completely, and take issues one by one in order of priority of what the parties feel is important to address. And usually that's the substance of the second meeting. And the second meetings on occasion can result in a full verbal agreement as to everything that needs to be decided to come up with a divorce agreement. Or there might be a third meeting necessary where more information is needed, or there might be a reason that would prevent the parties, an outside reason that would prevent the parties from coming to a conclusion after the second meeting. They might need to consult with a tax advisor, or consult with a mortgage broker, or whatever additional information that might be needed would then be dealt with in the third meeting. And then however many meetings it takes to come to the point where an agreement is reached verbally, there's then one more meeting after that, and that's to review the documents that I produce that you will need to file with the court in order to obtain a divorce.